back to a new video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be System Test 2, or New System Test 2, on the ESG Fire Shield. So, okay, I guess we can call this part 2, maybe, but I changed up the devices that I originally had, because why not? Anyway, so yeah, the FCI MS2 is still here, the Alert Genesis is still here. But the pull station over here is my FIRELITE BG12L. Still have the 2400 smoke. Maybe it'll blink, maybe it won't. Anyway, we have my WHEELOCK RSS, which is set up for audible silence, by the way. And we have my why am I thinking of NS? This is a WHEELOCK Exceeder, excuse me. So, yeah. That's the little system, so we're doing fire today. Actually, let's start with the drill. Okay? Okay. And now we actually pull the BG12. So 3, 2, oh wait, hold on. But before we actually do this, make sure not to pull fire alarms from real buildings. It's a crime. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. There we go, and audible silence on the RSS, and that just shuts up. Alright, so, let's reset this. Let's see. So, be sure to, like, comment, subscribe if you wanna. Not forcing you guys to. Do whatever you wanna. And, let's see. If you guys have any suggestions for new videos that I should make, please tell me, or what kind of system tests I should do, all that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.